Good day, one and all. This is Kathy, the Scrap and Crafty Gardener, and welcome to my channel. Today is just a quick video, a Gina K unboxing video. I just got this in the mail today, so I'm going to open it. Still haven't found my X-Acto knife, so I'm just going to use my little pair of scissors here to cut this tape. This was her release of the month, plus a few other things, if I remember correctly. They package very well, and she ships quickly. I see my invoice right on top, so I'll take that out so we don't have my address shown. But I will turn it over. Our incentive set. Aha! This is the incentive set. Folk Art Christmas. Love the little tree and the deer, and it looks like a fox and a bird. That should be fun to play with. Okay. All right. Let me take this stuff out of the box, and then I will move the box off. Okay, I'm going to have a box to play with. Okay, we'll start with this one. This is the exclusive card kit. All right. Oh, I kind of need my glasses. Here they are. Put those on. All right. This is the Christmas Cheer card kit. Oh, we have a very nice Merry Christmas stamp and shadow die. Or is this just all both dies? I'm thinking they're both dies. Let me check. Yes, 2 dies. So that's very nice. Can always use a Christmas greeting. And then this is the Christmas Cheer Stamp and Die Bundle. Little gingerbread man, a penguin, Santa, Happy Holidays. Oh, here they are. Oh, those are cute. Now, tomorrow, Wednesday, is Holiday Wednesday. However, I have a special order for a non-traditional Hanukkah card, so that's what I will be making tomorrow. So I'll probably use one of these sets on Friday, I'm sure, because these are all Christmas. So we'll just have a couple Christmas this week. Now, Holiday Floral Stamp and Die Bundle. Lovely poinsettia. Let's turn that over. Oh, that is gorgeous. And I love the different sentiments. The Happy Holidays, Winter Wishes, Merry Christmas. Oh, and I got Happy New Year. This should be a fun one to play with because it has stencils. All right, let's get that down there. This is the Holiday Floral. So this stencil goes with this stamp set. And then this is a separate stencil. Oh, I might use this. And Modern Poinsettia. And that's what's showing on here. That is very nice. Okay, I'm liking that. So let's put this, and now I'll see what else I ordered. Now this is sticky, so it might make some noise. I do apologize. I remember when they started using bubble wrap, not Gina K, but bubble wrap in general. And I never realized they made it sticky. But that is kind of nice. Okay. Now, I got this Birthday Sparkle. This is a stamp and die bundle. Trying to get that on camera there. I love this birthday font. I'm more of a script kind of a girl. Oh, and I love, like, this is the North Star kind of thing. That would be nice. And then this is, let's get that down there. Home for the Holidays. This is also a stamp and die bundle. Love the house and all of these different sayings. There's no place like home for the holidays. From our family to yours, celebrate all the comfort and joy of loved ones this holiday season. Eat, drink, and be merry. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, season's greetings. From me to you, I'll be home for Christmas. Special delivery just for you. Well, I can see using that set, and I could kind of use this for a winter card too, not just a Christmas card. So I'm thinking for Friday what I can do already. As Thursday, I have the Divinity Designs release. It should be coming in. The birthday flower of the month kit. Now this is Merry Sentiment strips from Gina K Designs. This is meant to work with the all-in-one. So I'm going to try and where it cuts out all of your sentiments at once. Made with love by, sent with love. Peace and joy, a gift for you, merry and bright. Merry Christmas, holiday greetings, season's greetings, Christmas blessings, wishing you peace and joy. All is calm, all is bright. And then that just says Merry Christmas, and there's a little ornament with foliage. I'm liking this so far. I really am. Now this is the boho. Oh no, not boho, bold. I did put my glasses on, but the light shines and it's hard for me to see. Bold holiday sentiments. Those are definitely bold. I can see me using it. This would be nice if it just does the outline. That would be nice for embossing. Merry, joy, peace. We wish you to the world, wishing you, sending you, and bright Christmas so very on earth. Let's be this holiday season. That is nice. Okay. Looks like I added some more paper because I was looking for some browns. So I got charcoal brown, chocolate truffle, which is, I would call this a warm cocoa, but it's called chocolate truffle, and honey mustard. I thought this would be great for fall cards. Actually, all of these colors put together would be great for fall cards, but I was also thinking masculine. And then I needed gray. So I have slate and stormy sky, which is my favorite gray ink color. Let's get that off that paper. So those are the papers I got this time. I'm liking this. This will make a nice background for sympathy cards, as would this for darker. But I like the stormy sky. All right, that's what I got in this stamp haul. So let me pull these out too. I'll just put them all together. And that goes with that. All right. I'm thinking on Friday I will use this one. Now, unless my Divinity Designs doesn't come in on Thursday like it's supposed to, I will do this Thursday, but I'm thinking Divinity Designs will be here, so I will use this stamp set on Friday. And then next week is pretty much going to be a Christmas week, I think. I got this from Lawn Fawn since I need to make a Hanukkah card. I do have a few Hanukkah things already. But this is Love You a Latke. Or a Latke. Is it Latke or Latke? I'll have to ask my friend. But that's a nice little set. So I may be using this set tomorrow. Maybe not, because she wants a non-traditional. She wants a Star of David on it, but she wants it in pink, silver, and white. So I think I'm going to do something floral with that. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow, and have a great rest of your day.